To keep up with today's fast-paced corrugated market, box makers are demanding more capable systems that can maintain their high-speed production needs. There's also a growing requirement for systems that can efficiently manage a wide range of materials and complex configurations without compromising on quality or efficiency. Moreover, corrugated box customers are now demanding more versatility and rapid turnaround times from the box maker. To remain competitive, box plants need to evolve to meet an increasingly diverse set of requirements. The average sheet size being sent to rotary die cutters has nearly doubled in the last 10 years. 118-inch wide sheets and 2,500 linear-inch cutting dies are now commonplace. Introducing the latest technical advancements in rotary die cutting. Since its inception, the 66-inch repeat family of die cutters has been the stalwart of machine size in the corrugated market. Not until now has there been improvements made of this level. This latest in improvements includes oversized journals and bearings. The elimination of eccentric loading for nip impression by incorporating a servo-positioned pivot arm assembly that precisely controls nip pressure, along with a servo-compensated oversized anvil drum allowing for minimal roll deflection and providing cut length correction. This latest iteration of the RDC will allow converters producing consumer packaging of high volume, heavy paper, and complex design the opportunity to do so with more precision at higher speeds and with minimal wear on the RDC. This new machine design features several structural upgrades, including a doubling in DC journal bearing size, unmatched by other 66-inch machines on the market, to increase machine integrity and reduce friction significantly. Additionally, the machine's patent-pending nip position, coupled with a larger diameter anvil cylinder, enhances the smoothness of the die cut operation. These strength-building improvements enable a 300% improvement in load capacity, which significantly expands the machine's capability to handle larger volumes without compromising on speed or precision. This increased capacity also allows for more versatile production options, accommodating a wider range of corrugated board types and thicknesses, including heavyweight paper and double-wall configurations. Consequently, businesses can diversify their product offerings for numerous complex applications, elevating their competitive edge and operational efficiency. The HD augmented load capacity also ensures it can sustain longer production runs at high speeds, maximizing throughput while maintaining exceptional quality, ultimately leading to increased profitability and customer satisfaction. This HD RDC is meticulously designed for efficiency, enabling faster setups and maintenance through its open design and floor-level access. The machine is ideal for producing long orders at unprecedented speeds, making it a logical solution for operations looking to boost their output. A key factor in its enhanced performance is the 500% improvement in fatigue resistance, paired with a 60% reduction in deflection under load. These improvements mean that this HD RDC can operate longer without the wear and tear that typically slows production or requires maintenance, ensuring consistent output at high speeds. Additionally, the strategic full register location, off journaling, eliminates overhung loading. This improvement not only reduces the strain on critical components, but also enhances the machine's overall stability and reliability during operation. To optimize overall equipment effectiveness, this HD RDC comes standard with a OEM-agnostic IIoT software solution, leveraging decades of data in corrugated converting operations, giving box makers access to dashboards, data, and insights otherwise unavailable without large-scale investment. The AI-driven software quantifies and analyzes key elements of the corrugated manufacturing process. Utilizing this data, box plant leaders can make more informed decisions around scheduling downtime and ordering parts, thereby mitigating machine failure and improving overall efficiency. Through machine learning, its predictive algorithms continuously improve, leading to larger and larger cost savings over time. Integrated operations can seamlessly merge this new technology with their existing plant productivity software to access specialized and actionable insights into their converting equipment, enabling predictive maintenance and minimizing unplanned downtime.